Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package to unpackage here for you. This comes to us from a company you may have been hearing from lately, or hearing about lately, called GBFKE. I got a couple paintings to show you from them. It's interesting, my story is a little different than others. I had purchased some stuff from them, and then they contacted me after I made the purchase and asked if I wanted to review a few things for them. Sure, yeah. So these are complimentary ones, and my order that I ordered is not here yet. These got here first, but I think the order that I paid for is right on the heels of this one. Anyhow, let's get into it and I'll show you what I got, okay? There's a big one. I was like, ooh, there's a big one, okay? And there's a smaller one. The interesting thing is the prices for these are in, I believe it's pounds. So you kind of have to do some configuring here to figure out, US prices. This stuff came really fast, and my order that I paid for is coming. I think it's tomorrow. I think it's scheduled. So I ordered these on July 14th, and today is July 29th. Not bad. That's like 2 weeks. I think it's 15 days. Not bad at all. I forgot to grab my scissors to open that. Can I open it without... We'll do the little one first, because that's going to require some space right there. All right. So, had anybody ever heard of these before? This company? I mean, I think I've seen a couple of review videos now, different YouTubers that were contacted, but I had never heard of them before this. So yeah, never heard of them. But they have a ton of stuff. Let me just put it that way. A ton of different paintings, ton of kits. They have full drill, they have rounds, they have specials, they have larger things. I mean, they had a lot of stuff. Okay, they are reminiscent of some of the companies like CES Deals and Fan Cells and Everyday E-Deals, and they got a ton of stuff. All right, let's show you. Basic toolkit. Got some wax, pen, and a boat. Everything you'd need. Here's our drills. They come packaged like this. Okay, no DMC codes, but I'm assuming that's the kit number. 5186. And here's my first painting I chose. All right. Yep, no DMC codes on this at all, but not everything needs to have DMC codes. That's my thought. Okay. That's what it looks like. It's got some creases in it. I tried to flatten out those creases. Let's see if we can get it a little flatter by pulling this plastic back. That might help it flatten a bit. Sometimes that actually helps it quite a bit to just pull the plastic. There's something sticky on top. All right. Now what it is, it's hard to tell just by looking at this. It's tulips. I believe there's like 2 tulips here and tulip over here. Let me see if I can show you the thumbnail. I'll try to remember to put a picture in. I haven't quite learned how to do that yet with my new editing. How to put a picture in the video. But, okay, there. Some tulips with the sun behind them. It's quite pretty. Okay, so here's our drill field. Everything looks pretty clear, I would say. Nice, clear symbols. We have a legend over here. It looks like it's mainly letters and a couple of symbols. No DMC codes. It's fine. And there's a legend over here as well. Now it's supposed to be a 40 by 30. My guess is it's not quite a 40 by 30. It's going to be a little short of that. Let's see. Let's see. So that is 34, and this is 24. There you go. So it's about 6 centimeters. I mean, the whole canvas will be 30 by 40, right? Canvas edge to canvas edge. Yep, 40. So canvas size is 30 by 40. Picture is about 6 centimeters shy. But I thought it was just beautiful. Like I said, I will try my best to insert a picture. But you can kind of tell what it is. It's pretty, right? Yeah, it's pretty. Here's our drills. Just some white packaging. And it does have the kit number, 5186. There's the kit number there, 5186, and that's also on the packaging. And it's PJ Packaging. PJ Packaging, I mean, they always have good drills. We got blacks everywhere. We got black here, and black here, and black in these, and the black just went helter-skelter, right? So here's our colors. I mean, not going to show you every single one, but pinks, corals. Look at their blacks are everywhere. They're in this package or in this package. Oh, we're just having a good time here. Reds, corals, tans, oranges. Beautiful colors. Just what you'd see on that canvas right there. Beautiful colors. So we're not going to go through every single one. I think you get the gist, right? Nice little kit. This one in pounds was $9.99. I don't know what that works out to. US? I don't know. I'm not certain. Like I said, I didn't pay for these two, so I don't know. All right, let's get into the next one. It's a big one. When I got this package, I was like, geez, this package is long. What am I getting that is so large? I didn't remember ordering anything this large, but I did. Okay, it opens like this at the top and comes out like this. Now here is a funny story. It's totally true. You won't believe this story, okay? I got an email just before I started to unbox this. Like, I already had the package in my house, and I got an email. I got an email from Joe. Joe's a subscriber. And Joe's email said, hey, look what I just got. And it was a different company. Showed me a picture of this painting and its drills. Told me how much it was and everything. And I was like, okay. And then I came up here and knew what order was coming, and I was like, lo and behold, guess what? It's the same painting. I was like, you won't believe this. I just got this. Just got it. All right. I'm just trying to roll back the ends. Not going to roll the whole thing backwards, which you can do because it's poured glue, but the ends are really curled and they're not going to want to lay flat because this is a big one. Now, when you look at the back of the canvas, you can see fold lines, right? You can see where it was rolled. This stuff will all come out, all right? You can either, I like to put things under my mattress for about a week. In the spare room, that's a queen size bed. It's heavy. It will flatten stuff. You can put books on it. You can leave it hang. You can even iron them. And I might do an ironing video. I haven't done one in a while, but I have a couple canvases that these fold lines were so strong in them that putting it under my mattress isn't even taking them all out. But it's not going to affect your glue. But you do want this canvas to be flat when you work it, because if you don't do it before you put drills on it, it's almost next to impossible to get them out later. So I might show you an ironing video later, but for now, let's look at this. This is so funny. So funny. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It's the exact same one. Isn't it gorgeous though? It's gorgeous. All right, you got the cottage back here, the trees and the sky, and then this path that comes down goes over the bridge, which goes, over the river where the swans are hanging out. And then the path continues through the gate and then out probably to the road. Look at all of those flowers and bushes, and oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. There's 24 colors. It's not a ton of colors, but we'll see how it turns out when you put drills on it. I mean, it's nothing that needs a ton of detail. I think the swans will turn out just fine. The flowers will be just fine. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. All right, I told you it was a big one, right? We have a key up here and a key over here. So when you're working on it, you got your 2 keys, 24 colors. And again, our symbols are letters, a few symbols, basic symbols. And there's our drill field. Let's look at the dark part here. Let's look right up here. It looks pretty clear, doesn't it? Wise. This dark right here, you might need a light pad for it because I can see the and symbol, M and K. And they all look really similar, like on black. I like that there's no circles, no guide circles. I like that. Look at it. It's very nice. All right, very, very, very nice. It is poured glue, sticky glue. Okay, so the last one we just looked at was canvas size, right? Not picture size. So I'm going to just kind of assume, this one's supposed to be 45 by 85. Let's just assume this is going to be the canvas as well. So let's measure canvas all the way up here. And let's flatten it out so we don't count the wrinkles. 85. Yep. So the picture, let's see. The picture is flattening as I go, flattening as I go. Picture is about 79, okay? Picture 79, which that's true from what the other one was. It's about 6 centimeters short, the picture drill area. All right, isn't it beautiful? I've wanted one of these big long cottage scenes for the longest time. Tons of drills in this one. Tons and tons of drills, right? This video is not that long yet, so we're gonna look at these drills. I know people like to see the drills. Is it one long strand or is it 2? Or, yep, we got 2. Okay, cool. Oh, we're starting at the back. So this is what the packaging looks like. It just has the number of the kit and the number on the canvas. So I'm gonna flip it over because DMC codes don't matter at this point. So we have purples. My guess would be that's 3819. Blue, rust. Then we have a selection of browns. Brown, I think they're all different. Yep, 3 browns. Brown, brown. Are these 2 blues the same or different? What do you think? This one and this one. The same? 2 packages are the same? Yep. That's the same blue. All right. We got a nice, pretty dark blue. Some light grays, probably the same one. Yep, 14. Cream color, red. Some taupey grays, 2 bags of the 10, greens, those are the same, pink, cranberry, call that cranberry, tans, I love this color right here. I have a shirt that color, it's one of my favorite shirts, this corally color, love it. And then we have black, you know this is black, 1, 2, 3 bags of it, and a dusty pink, really pretty dusty pink color. Those are our drills, folks. I'm excited by this. This is awesome. That's a picture and a half right there. I love it. I think it'll turn out fine because nothing is super, super detailed. I mean, you're gonna get splashes of color for the flowers. I think the swans will look fine. The house has like a, I don't know, stone or tile type roof. There's some bricks. This looks brick. I think it will show up okay. It'll be interesting to drill it and see how it turns out, but isn't it pretty? And it's big. It looks great in the camera. Looks absolutely beautiful in the camera. Love the little fence up here, coming over the bridge, and you got another fence. It's interesting, they have a fence on both sides of the bridge. They can close off the bridge. Anyhow, it's pretty. I like it. Thank you to GBFKE. This one was $14.99 in pounds. Yeah, 15 days shipping. Thank you. Thank you. Check out GBFKE. They have tons and tons of stuff. You just got to go look. All right. So until my next video. Oh, that one had 2 toolkits, by the way. No, it didn't. I lie. It had 1, just like the other one. All right. So I'm going to let you go. And thanks for watching and subscribing and becoming a member of my channel if you've become a member. And that membership giveaway is coming up real soon. All right, until next time, have a wonderful day. Enjoy it to its fullest. And I'll see you in the next video.